Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Simple DIY projects to boost your home's value. If you're looking to increase your home's value without taking on expensive renovations, there are plenty of affordable DIY home improvement projects that can make a big impact. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a more appealing living space, these low-cost upgrades can improve both the aesthetics and functionality of your home. Simple interior upgrades: freshen up your walls. One of the easiest and most cost-effective updates is painting your walls. Fresh walls can make a room look clean and modern, boosting the overall appeal of your home. It's particularly effective when preparing your home for sale, as it signals that the property has been well maintained. Update fixtures and hardware. Switch out outdated light fixtures, doorknobs, and curtain rods for more stylish or modern options. These updates can be surprisingly affordable, but add a sense of elegance to a room. Choosing neutral colors ensures your home remains appealing to a broad range of buyers. Installing ceiling fans. Ceiling fans help keep energy costs down by improving air circulation. They're a great addition to living areas and bedrooms, reducing both air conditioning and heating costs. If you've already wired for overhead fans, this is an easy DIY project that adds value by enhancing energy efficiency. Reveal and restore hardwood floors. If you have hardwood floors hidden under carpeting, consider uncovering and refinishing them. Hardwood floors are a highly desirable feature for buyers and increase your home's value significantly. Refinishing is more affordable than installing new floors, making it a worthwhile investment. Bathroom upgrades. Redo the bathroom floor. Installing new tile in the bathroom can refresh the space without costing a fortune. Neutral color tiles add a timeless appeal and are a great way to make your bathroom look clean and modern. Update fixtures. Replacing dated bathroom fixtures such as faucet, towel bar, and light fixtures can give your bathroom a fresh, high-end look. Affordable upgrades like a new shower head or vanity can enhance the room's overall appeal and help make it more energy efficient. Kitchen improvements. Paint or stain kitchen cabinets. Instead of replacing cabinets, consider painting or staining them to give your kitchen a fresh, modern look. This is a cost-effective solution that can significantly change the appearance of your kitchen without the high expense of new cabinets. Upgrade cabinet knobs and handles. Small changes like replacing cabinet knobs and door handles can make your kitchen feel more stylish and updated. This quick fix is an easy way to improve your kitchen's look for a minimum investment. Exterior updates. Install a new front door. Your front door is the first impression visitors have of your home, so upgrading it can significantly boost curb appeal. Even a simple coat of paint or a more stylish replacement can enhance the look of your home. Power wash the exterior. A good power wash can clean up dirt, grime, and algae, making your home look as good as new. It's a fast and inexpensive way to enhance your home's exterior without the cost of painting. Upgrading landscape. Tending to your lawn and planting flowers or shrubs can do wonders for your home's exterior. Landscaping adds curb appeal and is often among the highest return investments in terms of home value. The bottom line: you don't need to hire a contractor or break the bank to boost your home's value. Simple and affordable DIY projects like painting, updating fixtures, and cleaning your home's exterior can make a huge difference. Whether you plan to sell or stay, these upgrades will help you get the most out of your home. If you have any questions about DIY home improvements, comment. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.